Hi, I'm Norm Peterson. I'm a carpenter here in Richmond Town, and I'm displaying a sample of the frame of this building. This is the carpenter shop. This section, you can see this corner here, is this corner right here. The sill, which is the timber that the whole building sits on, the sill is supported by stones in various places, keeping it off the ground. In the corner, there's a corner post that goes up. Obviously, this would continue much higher. This post here, also the same thing, would go up to the second floor. That post is this one side of this door. Holding up the floorboards there are floor joists. There's one here. Here's the sill, which is the end floor joist. The way these things are put together, mortise and tenon. So the sills have lap joints with a hole drilled through them first and then made square, and then there's a square tenon that fits in there. When you put this together, you could get confused, so there are numbers on the pieces, Roman numerals, to identify which goes with which. The floor joist and the series of floor joists in the middle of the room has a different kind of connection, a dovetail, because when this floor joist, which would be 17 feet long, when it has people standing on it, there's pressure on it, it bends downward, and the end would bend upward slightly, and it would tend to make the building spread out. So to avoid that, you make a dovetail, so when there's pressure from this to go this way, it can't. It holds on to the sill. The simple post that is the side of the door simply is, once again, simple mortise and tenon. Up above, there will be other joints, but we're just doing this one section of this building. Most of the buildings in Richmond Town, if not all of them, are built this way. The one difference that would be between some of the older ones and the newer ones, older ones meaning 1700s and before, the timbers that make them up would not be at all smooth. They would not have been sawn, they would have been hewn with an axe. So it was just the same thing, but rougher. So come to County Fair, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of September. This is going to be one of the many things you'll see, and we will be making these joints out of fresh timbers to show exactly how this was done. Hope to see you at County Fair.